Hi there! In this video, we'll walk you through how to select a position to display your size chart using the MP Size Chart app. First, open your MP Size Chart app from the Shopify admin. Then, click Appearance to start customizing how your size chart will appear on your storefront. Next, select the Size Chart tab to focus on configuring its look and placement. Option 1, choose Button as the display option to show your size chart. There are 3 button types available. 1, Floating Button. You can decide where the floating button appears on desktop and mobile. For example, middle right, middle left, or bottom left. Click Preview to instantly see how your size chart button looks on your product page. 2, Inline Link. There are 2 ways to add an inline link. Add with App Block. This option is available for Online Store 2.0 themes. It's the quicker and easier method since the inline link can be added directly through the theme editor. Click Save on the top bar first, then click Add App Block. You'll be redirected to your theme editor where the MP Size Chart inline link is automatically added. Review it directly in the theme. Click Save, then open the 3-dot menu and choose View to see it live on your storefront. Add with CSS Selector. Use this method if your store isn't built on a 2.0 theme. It allows you to manually choose the position where the inline link will appear. Click Reselect to open the pop-up, then click Start, choosing to select a new position on your theme. Return to the app. Click Save, and preview by clicking the View Your Online Store icon to see your inline link in action. App Block is recommended for most merchants because it's faster and more convenient. However, if you have a special position where neither option places the link correctly, for example, next to the size label, feel free to contact our support team for help. 3, Both. In the Both option, you can display your size chart using inline link and floating button at once. This gives shoppers more flexibility to access your chart from anywhere on the product page. Option 2, select Dropdown Section. Again, there are 2 setup methods. Add with App Block. Click Save on the top bar first, then Add App Block. You'll be redirected to the theme editor, where the MP Size Chart dropdown is automatically added. Click Save. Open the 3-dot menu and choose View to preview your size chart on the storefront. Add with CSS Selector. Click Reselect, then start choosing to pick a new position on the theme. Return to the app, click Save, and preview the size guide on your online store. Option 3 lets you combine Button and Dropdown Section, with each set up under its own tab. You can set their positions as in Options 1 and 2. Here, we'll use Floating Button and set up Dropdown Section via App Block. Click Save, then click Add App Block. Now, both the Floating Button and MP Size Chart dropdown are added to your theme automatically. You can drag and drop it to the exact position you want on your product page. Click Save, then View, to preview everything on your storefront. And that's it. You've just learned how to select and customize the display position of your size chart. Experiment with these options to find the setup that best fits your product page design. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.